same subject and full. That is why I will not touch whatever has been talked. Since you have asked me to give my concluding remarks, I will add something from my side. First, I would like to thank Mr. Nanda and the team of Hyderabad chapter for choosing the subject, which has become very relevant in view of the mess in which the mining industry is being found today in India. The second is the topic has been very well distributed to the various speakers having specializations, starting from the Mr. Vijay Kumar, Mine Secretary, who was the pioneer in making the bill, and going through the various authorities of regulatory bodies and experts. Upadhyay gave a very good definition quoted from World Bank, and that definition comes even from the Indian scriptures. It is now only being reloaded in English. Governance is starting fundamentally for the public good. And that concept of public good is the all-pervading. That it starts with the good of the entrepreneur, good of the employees, good of the community. That is in general. And that governance could start first with the self-governance. That means it starts with the entrepreneurs who should be right. And there itself is a lacuna. The mining industry in India is basically divided, you can divide into two parts. Huge number of mines in minor minerals, small mines, in even major minerals. The problem is basically started with number of small mines, and as Ramesh Kumar told, when the opportunity came in the commodity price being very high, the number of mines, small mine owners in even major minerals like iron ore. And that has only created the problem or brought it to explosive situation, which has forced the public to have a negative view of the miners, because they found that they are making huge money and trying to splurge the money in a form which is not in public good. So, considering those situations, the issues of governance have now come, which I feel what has been done in our discussions and deliberations should be broken into three parts. So it starts with the issuing of the concessions, where a lot of things have been told, and I feel with the MMRD bill coming, there may be some easy processes into picture, at least as far as the issuance is there. That means concessions to be properly issued, and so that may reduce some of the difficult issues in grant of the leases. But the second issue remains. That means, as some friends told, once the lease is granted, actually there is no surveillance. Director General of Mine Safety takes care of the safety inspections. The argument given by my friend Mr. Sharma that we are only having 5 people and the staff is very less is correct. But even then, the 3 platforms on which IBM is working, I think they have to be reduced. The concept of mining plan, I am personally feeling the importance of this subject has totally deteriorated the culture in mining. The time the mining plans started, it introduced a culture of corruption. People introduced a system of industry in which the mine plan approval became a source, like a police station house officer taking money in registering FIR and investigating. I have personally told the mines department, alternative method to be found, this mine plan system should be abolished. IBM will be relieved of this platform. They should look into only MCR and returns. Because first, they are not competent to look into mining plans. The people do not have competence. They have not having experience in working industry, and this system is not followed anywhere in the world. We are a very poor country in mining, and we started with a regulation which is totally not to favor, as Mr. Kannabren was repeatedly telling, the big companies either in Canada, Australia, South Africa, anywhere. They are responsible for designing their own plan with their DPR, with their technology. And our surveillance is to look into that. They should put up the plan what they are going to do, we should look into that. This will be a revolutionary step. If it is taken, at least one part of the regulatory problem which is going into the operation of the mines from this side may not happen. Because that problem created number of issues which Shah Commission telling that mine is not being operated as per mining plan. This is not happening as per mining plan because those plans were not real. All those plans, barring the few big companies, they are mostly fake because they are just being, because that has developed an industry of various RQPs, IBM and people developing a business of industry of mining plants. That is my strong personal view. So this will reduce the governance issue. The other things which has been discussed on various honorable and very, very distinguished people is the use of technology. Yeah. Technology is definitely a very strong guideline, but without man, behind the technology, as Ramesh Kumar told, the experience of Kiruna, that has got a limitation. So even if technology is available, the people to man will always be there. Less developed countries compared to India today have online availability of all the mining sites in Africa. You can go and just see where is the site available, what is the mineral available. You can apply for that. In India, we don't have. So here is the technology we should come to all the state governments helped by the IBM. So technology rule that will come. The issue said by governance in the corporate governance, I think that is a very big subject, a subject on which company law is operating, and the mining people getting into corporate governance. There are no listed companies excepting few. So the corporate governance is only coming into the form of self-governance for these mines. And only the listed companies, they will be one. We will follow those type of guidelines which has been given by the company law affairs, corporate ministry, and also guidance by the World Bank. I think we should not go to that big sphere. As far as the issues of the mining industry, being optimistic is good, but as Upadhyaya told, who is going to do it? The doing part is the one which is really lacking, and then that is the responsibility of the mining engineers who are heading, who are in the management. They have to find out plans and ways to do it.